Welcome back to the Routemap tutorial series. Today we'll show you how to manage Jira issues, milestones, and dependencies on Routemap's Issues Timeline Roadmap. After installing the app from the Atlassian Marketplace, you can access it by locating the apps and choose Routemap. At this point, the first thing you need to do is create a new board for your projects. In the pop-up, Routemap allows you to add multiple projects to one single board. This is also the foundation for creating your one project portfolio roadmap. Then go ahead and decide on a title for this board. You can also add a description to clarify the board for every member and stakeholder. Next, decide which features you want to use in this new board, including Issues Timeline, for managing your Jira issues on a timeline roadmap. Releases Timeline, to visualize and manage multiple releases on one timeline roadmap. Priority Table, to prioritize your Jira issues on a table list. Priority Matrix, to visualize your Jira issue priority on a quadrant. Releases Kanban, for visualizing multiple project releases on a Kanban board. And Sprints Kanban, to manage multiple sprints in your Jira backlog. Then, define when this new board will start and end. And you can decide if you want to use the isolated mode for it. This mode will help you make a new board with its own planned dates. Once done, you can go on to choose the board's permission. At this final step, you will see the field mapping settings for your projects, which we talked about in the previous video. You can go back and take a look again. With all those done, you can create a new Routemap board. To get started, you can create a new lane on the Issue Timeline Roadmap. Either by clicking the button or clicking plus New Lane, you can name this lane according to your needs, to represent the tasks of a team or one project. Now, you can add issues from your Jira projects that you have added earlier. Select the issue box and start dragging issues to the timeline roadmap. Using filters to quickly locate your needed Jira issues, you can then freely plan the start and end dates directly. Or, you can also adjust the dates by clicking the issue bar to open the Details menu. In this menu, you can change the bar's color, task progress, assignee, issue priority, and status. Not only that, Routemap supports you to add your Jira issues in bulk with its populating feature. Just open the issue box and click Populating Existing Jira Issues at the bottom. The only requirement is that these issues must have their start and end dates from Jira. All it takes is one click. And of course, you can create a completely new issue directly in Routemap. Click on the space on the timeline roadmap, choose New Issue, and fill in all the necessary information. Additionally, you can create a container to manage your Jira issues on the timeline roadmap more effectively. After creating it, you can adjust the container's start and end dates to your needs. However, keep in mind that it will only work when the container is empty. Once you add an issue to the container, it will auto-fit to the longest issue bar. Next, you can add milestones to the roadmap to mark an important date so your team and stakeholders know what to expect. To add a milestone, you can click on a specific date on the timeline or click Create. All you have to do now is to name it, confirm the date, choose a color, and that's it. With Routemap for Jira, you can also visualize dependencies, or issue link, directly on this issue's timeline roadmap. This will come in handy when you or your team don't want to miss out important issue dependencies that can lead delays or bottlenecks throughout your project. Once making a dependency, you can click the issue itself to see details. All you have to do is hover your cursor over an issue bar, click and hold the circle, then drag it to the issue bar that you want to make the dependency. You can freely change the arrow type, color, or even delete this issue link. That's it for now. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. See you in the next tutorial video.